Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and transfer money from CIBC to Simply. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So for the matter, the very first thing that you have to do is simply gonna go ahead and access the CIBC app on your mobile phone. And the thing that you have to know is that you can simply do the transaction to simply any of the banks inside of Canada, which also includes a CIBC bank. Once you're here in the account, go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line on top left corner of the screen and tap on this Interac transfer. Once you have done it, you will be able to find this option which includes the send money on top. All you have to do is tap on the send money, and simply you're gonna go ahead here in the section if recipient is somebody new who you need to find a Simply account. Simply gonna go to new contacts and import contact from your device if the person's information is listed. Once you have entered the information of the recipient account whose account is connected with Simply, you will be able to find it. Tap on the save option up and go to the send money section. Go ahead, enter the amount on top. You're gonna choose the from account, which will be CIBC obviously, and in the to destination section, go ahead, enter the information. If it's saved, go ahead, choose it one and tap on this email if you need. And once you have added all of the information accordingly, you will be able to tap on this continue and transfer money to the person who has Simply account, and you will be done. You can also choose to go to your stop transaction section to see your history, and you will be done. That is simply the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.